It's 11:30 and Generation DIY is still sleeping. Let's surprise her. Ready? Ah, what? Was not ready for that. 1, 2, 3. Boom! Happy birthday to you.
Hello!
Look, she hasn't unpacked yet.
Don't expose me. It's my birthday. I'm naked.
You're wearing my t-shirt.
Good morning, guys. I look gross as usual. Hey, what's up, hooligans? It's Jennifer. I feel like I should look less gross for this, but this is just how it works in the real world. There's this thing going around called the Instagram followers control my life for a day video, and basically I put stop zooming. I put polls up on my Instagram stories, and then you guys vote in them to choose what I do throughout the day. I have a list, by the way. Are you zooming in? Stop. Oh, my sisters. Stop. Oh, it's also my birthday, so it's like a birthday edition control my life. So that's extra fun. First order of business. Do I shower or not? I'm really hoping you say shower because it's been a while. What's up, guys? I'm doing an Instagram followers control my life for a day video. So first poll is, should I shower or not? Vote down below. What are you doing? If they say don't shower, I'm just not gonna go outside today.
That's like any other day.
All right, I just put the poll up. Let's wait like 15 minutes and then see what you guys say. I really hope I get to take a shower today. In the meantime, while I'm waiting for the poll results to come in, I'm gonna eat breakfast. My mom cooked me something. Here's brekkie. Breakfast. All right, I'm about to eat. I just finished breakfast. Time to see if I get to shower today. Mom doesn't say anything, she just smiles. I get to shower! 84%.
You still haven't showered?
No.
Dude, it's like 1. Go.
Whew. I am freshly showered. Finally, I feel clean. Now I'm gonna do my makeup. I was gonna ask you guys, like, makeup or no makeup, but it's my birthday. I deserve to look nice, so I'm gonna put on makeup. But I'm gonna ask you guys if I should curl my hair or leave it naturally straight. Oof. I look pasty white. Maybe I'll do a boomerang. I'll do a boomerang. And the poll is up. I'm currently doing my makeup, but I have to do this before I do my makeup. So I'm gonna ask you guys if I should wear contacts or should I be blind for the day? Yeah, I'm actually supposed to wear glasses or contacts every day, but honestly, I'm very lazy. When I do put on my glasses, I'm like, whoa. Everything is HD. Hey guys, next question. Should I put in contacts today or should I be blind? Alright, I'm gonna give this one like 5 minutes only because I gotta do it like kind of right away before I do my makeup. Good news, hooligans! I get to see the world in HD. Your girl is not blind today. Let's go. Don't like touching my eyeballs. Going in my eyeball. I did it, boys! I'm crying. You did it? What? The world is HD. Let's go. Continue the makeup. All right, makeup is done. I look significantly better. Now it's time to check if I curl my hair or not. My sister is currently playing piano, so that's what the music is coming from. Ooh, 70% says curly. So we're about to curl this mane. Lego. I can't wait no more. Sick of trying, that's why I'm always smiling. Okay guys, I finished curling my hair. This is what I look like, but guys, it is my 20th birthday, but I am also dying. I just found a white hair. It's a sign, guys. My hair is turning gray. I have a couple years left to live. It's time for me to say goodbye. This is the first white hair I've ever gotten, and I'm kind of getting emotional right now. I don't want to die. What do I do with it? Do I take it? Do I pull it out or what? Should I do a pull for this? I'm gonna do a pull for this. Guys, I just found my first white hair. What do I do? Do I pull it out or do I leave it? What do I do? All right, guys, poll just went up. I'm legitimately scared for this one. I really don't want to pull it out because I'm scared of pulling out hairs. I just want to cut it, but I said pull it out or leave it. So I guess we'll see. All right, boys and girls, let's see what the results are for my white hair. 62% said pull it out. Alright, Jane, you want to do the honors? Try to find it.
Where is it?
I don't know, it's at the back somewhere.
Oh, I found it.
Oh,
so long!
Ah! Oh my gosh, I'm scared. Ah! What? No! you pulled it?
Yeah.
Ah!
Can you guys even see it?
Ah, I'm so dramatic!
Oh,
Ew, why is it? It's like wrinkly. How do I
because
focus
you didn't
this?
shower for 17 years.
It's like wrinkly. What the heck?
You're old.
Dude, it's like translucent. Who am I? Why is it like this? Why am I old? Dude, it's like pure white. Oh my gosh, I'm freaking shocked. Mom's back. All right, next order of business after that traumatic event. Outfit time. So I've chosen 2 outfits. Honestly, they're kind of similar. Option 1 or option 2. OOTD time. Are between option 1 or option 2. 1 or 2. And I just put up the poll, so let's see what happens. All right, votes are in. 60% said option 1, so I'm gonna wear that. Oh, before that, I have to take some birthday photos. So, who should take my photos? Mom or sister? Not Jeremy, because he's not good at taking photos. So I'm gonna put up a poll right now.
Why not me?
Jeremy, you know you're not good. All right, guys, next order of business. I gotta take some birthday photos. Who should take them? My sister or my mom? Sister or mom? All right, guys, I just put on the outfit that you guys chose. My room is really messy, but here's what I look like. It's very comfortable. I'm probably gonna put on some heeled booties. Let's check who the culprit is. Who's gonna take my birthday photos? Ready, guys? 74% said sister.
Oh. Yay. Go.
You were the chosen one.
Oh my goodness.
Aren't you so happy?
Hurry up.
Oh, my stomach hurts.
Maybe go over there and I'll sit in the street.
So they're doing a photo shoot. Other way. Yeah, you're 2 years old. Oh, car.
It's okay. Go. Oh no. Hi.
Ah!
100.
What? Oh no.
You're so fat.
So Jennifer. None of these are good.
I haven't heard you take a single photo, Jane.
Okay.
Dude,
Put them
hurry up.
closer together.
Why are they so bright?
Even I can do a better photo shoot than this. Jennifer's probably gonna yell at me for these bad vlogging skills. Where is Jane? Let's see. Okay, let's go now. Yay! Can you actually not fake smile?
Jeremy!
She's so chubby. Look at those cheeks. So fat. And look at her belly. You look like Santa Claus.
How does that Santa Claus? It may have been a better idea to get mom to take the photos for me. I told you. I told them that. All right, guys. Next question: should my sister and I go shopping or get our nails done? Vote down below. All right, we are about to leave the facility. Let's check where we're going today. What do you think is gonna be the result?
Nails.
And today we are going shopping. It's 60% shopping, 40% get nails done. So we go shopping today. Right now I'm gonna sort through the photos and see if any of them are good. And then I'm gonna ask you guys which one I should post. We have reached the destination. Where are we going first?
Tell them that to their face.
Should we go to Forever 21? Ooh, this is cute. Ooh, that's actually kind of cute.
Actually, I think that's...
All right, guys, I just chose some photos. I'll show you guys the options right now. Option 1 or option 2. I just posted the poll. I'm gonna wait for you guys to vote in 15 minutes and then we'll see who wins. But first, let's go shopping. Jerry, you like that shirt? Really like this, like the plant vibe up in here.
Guys, that's why you wait.
Bam! I actually like these sunglasses. They look kind of cool. I feel way too hipster. I feel like my ego is kind of getting to my head right now. I feel like my head might explode. Dude, I should take these off before that happens. Whoa, that was just a different experience altogether. But if I put them like this, I look like a model.
Yeah, but you can't block the sun.
Oof. Okay, I think I'm actually gonna get these and these ones. These are more normal and I would wear these more every day. Let's do it. Hello guys. I'm gonna check which option won for which picture I should post on Instagram. Ooh, 56% said option 1, 44% said option 2. So,
Yeah, I like option 1 too.
all right. I'm gonna put a filter on this and I'll post it. We are going to Topshop right now, and I think that's the last stop at the mall today. All right, hooligans, I am back from the mall. Right now, it is about 6:20. We are going to eat dinner. My dad already cooked. It's like my favorite like noodle type of thing. I was gonna do a poll of like, should we eat in or out? But I guess my dad surprised me. So we're gonna eat these noodles. Woo! I just had dinner. I'm very full. I have dessert. We have here some cupcakes. Woo! And my question for the poll is going to be, should I get caked or cupcaked? Or should I eat the cupcake? And I'm gonna put up the poll right now. All right, guys, next poll is, should I eat a cupcake or should I get a cupcake thrown at my face? Vote now. I've never gotten caked before or like gotten a cake thrown at my face. So I feel like it would be fun to have that happen. But at the same time, I kind of don't want to like have to redo my face and it'll get sticky and all that kind of stuff. All right, guys, next poll is, should I eat a cupcake or should I get a cupcake thrown at my face? Vote now. Go. The next poll that I'm gonna put up is whether or not I should go watch a movie for my birthday or if I should go bowling with my friends. I hope you guys say bowling because I really want to go bowling. All right, next poll. Should I go to the movies for my birthday or should I go bowling for my birthday? Vote. Hey! All right, I'm gonna wait a couple minutes to see what your guys' votes are. I'm nervous for this whole cupcake situation, but I'm excited. I'm 20, but I still have a chin. Looks like my baby fat has not gone away. Or I just never exercise and I eat not healthy stuff. Okay guys, moment of truth. Do I eat it or
get smushed?
Ah!
I want her to get smushed.
All right, let's see.
Get naked.
Eat it.
You know what? I have veto power, so I think you should get Just add a little more.
That's a good thumbnail. Oh my god, my face feels so sticky. Yo, the poll said eat it, but I still got cake.
You ate it. I mean, you gotta get caked on your 20th birthday.
That's not a true thing. I'm gonna clean this up. Oh man, it's, hey dude, this is like hairspray. it's like crunchy.
It's mousse.
But I'm gonna eat this first.
Yum.
Honestly, not that good. Oh my gosh, it's gonna stain my face. Oh my gosh, it's staining my face.
Whoa.
It's pink. Oh my gosh, what a freaking adventure.
Oh my gosh.
Well, that just happened, y'all. My lip is stained. I tried to get most of it off my face, but all right guys, next up, do I go to bowling or do I go watch a movie on my birthday? In my little town city, we have this like little, it's literally called Entertainment Boulevard or something, and like that's where all the entertainment is. Let me see if I'm going bowling or to the movies with my friends, because I have those sometimes. Do you? And 52% said bowling. Hey, that was a close one, but I'm glad you guys said bowling because I really want to go bowling. And I feel like video wise, it's more exciting to watch me bowl anyway. So I don't know why you guys voted for movies. All right, let's go bowling. I feel like that was just like 1 minute straight of us going. What's up guys? I'm at bowling with the crew. Color. I love being 20 and still being a child. Guys, I bowled zeros on the first and second ones. I'm failing at bowling. Another one! Another one! Hey! Welcome to the club. Got her!
All around me are familiar faces, worn out.
What is going on?
Kaylin's cheating on
Yeah! Alright guys, we just finished bowling. Verdict is, I suck at bowling. Should we do something after? Now that we are finished bowling, we have options for dessert. Do we want a hot dessert or a cold dessert? I'm gonna open a poll right now.
Hot just like me.
Alright guys, it is the end of the night. Do we go for hot dessert or cold dessert? go down below.
Talking this like big ass jacket.
This is Dancing 101.
Oh my god.
That was
Alright guys, it's been a couple minutes, I think 10 minutes. So let's open up the results. And 77% says cold. Alright guys, we made it to dessert. Here it is.
I am the dessert.
Hey. Nice, 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 nice. We eat good today. Alright guys, I just made it home from dessert and it is now 12:30 or something. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me on my birthday and helping me choose what to do in my day. I thought this was really fun, so I really want to do another one if you guys want me to. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like it, make sure to like it, not just emotionally. Subscribe if you haven't already and you like my videos. Shout out of the week is right here. If you want a shout out in the next video, make sure to turn on post notifications and comment that down below. I will see you guys next time. Bye!